Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix restricted profile on Instagram. If you found that your profile has been restricted, I've got a few solutions for you. Let's get started. When Instagram restricts your profile, it can limit your visibility and your ability to interact with others. Here are some steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to understand why your profile was restricted. Go to Settings, Help, Support Requests, and check for any violations or warnings. Instagram will provide information about what rules were broken. If you think the restriction was a mistake, you can appeal the decision right from this section by tapping Appeal. Write a brief explanation as to why you believe the restriction was incorrect. Once submitted, Instagram will review your appeal and respond, either through notifications or in the app or email. Next, log out and log back in. If the restriction doesn't seem tied to a specific violation, log out of your account and log back in. This refreshes your session and can sometimes resolve the issue. After logging back in, check if the restriction has been lifted. Step 3. Clear Instagram cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues with your profile. Once cleared, reopen Instagram and see if the restriction has been removed. For iPhone users, you will want to uninstall and reinstall the app instead of clearing the cache. This will refresh the app and could remove any glitches causing the restriction. Finally, reach out to Instagram support. If the restriction is still there after trying these steps, you will need to contact Instagram support. Go to Settings, Help, Report a problem, and clearly describe the issue and provide any relevant screenshots to help them understand what's going on. Instagram support will review your case and provide further assistance. Once Instagram support responds, they will either lift the restriction or give you more details on what you can do to resolve it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the restriction on Instagram profile. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!